How to change avatar in Stumble guys. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can change your avatar in Stumble guys. So without further ado, let's get started. To change your avatar or character skin in Stumble guys, so once you launch Stumble guys game, this is the interface you will see. You want to make sure to simply tap on the customize button on the left hand side of your screen, and when you select customize, this is our current avatar. Now on the left hand side you can just click on this avatar icon, which is the skins icon. Select that and you will see a list of characters that you have unlocked. So just go ahead and select which one that you would like to equip, and once you've done so, on the left hand side you can see the option called equip. So after you select your character, just simply select the equip button, and like that you have changed your avatar or character skin on Stumble guys. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.